Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do today is we're going to repair this Coca-Cola clock. And it's nothing just real old or anything like that, but it uses one of these little battery-powered modules on the back, so it should be pretty easy to repair. So let's take this thing apart and see what we can do. Well, this is what I got. I got a little clock kit, and if the existing hands on the original clock mechanism, if they will fit on this module, I'll use the original ones. But if not, I will go ahead and use the hands in this kit. But that's something that we'll see. This just takes a little AA battery, just like a lot of the little electric clocks use. So, well, the first thing we're going to do is remove this glass, which is just plastic, but I'm calling it glass. Then let's see if I can get the hands off. There's one. There's two. And there's three. We got all three of them off. So possible we can use them on the other clock. Don't know for sure. Little nut is loose. Little nut and washer. Flip it over. Comes right out. Well, I went ahead and jumped in there and mounted this little clockwork mechanism. Put the nut on it. Tightened right up. This is the original hand. I'm gonna see if it'll fit. You know, I don't know if it will or it won't. I don't know. Doesn't feel quite like it's the way it should. So I may just put the original hands that came with the new clockwork mechanism. Let me do some checking. After doing some checking, the original hands won't fit. The new hands fit the clockwork just fine, but they're red just like the background. And so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to paint these hands white, and they'll stand out better that way, and it'll look just fine. So I'll take time to paint these and let it dry, and we'll see how it turns out. Well, it didn't take long, and we got the hands painted and got them installed, and I think they're going to be all right. And got a new battery. Let's put the battery in. Let's see which way is where. Let's see. So it looks like we got us a running clock again. So anyway, guys, I tell you what, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm